Ito yung SR flip area natin na bumigay. This is the 106 to 107 level. Remember, last week, yung touches nito, no? Sabi natin, oh, baka pag third time habang tinatouch siya, humihina. So, yun na nga po. Finally, bumigay. Ngayon, sinalo tayo ng 100 psychological number and the 98. Remember the 98. Okay, the previous swing low. Yan po. So, sinalo naman tayo niyan, which is good. Nakakita tayo ng bounce. Yan ang beauty of technical analysis. Now, this area na previous support natin will be turned into a resistance. Ibig sabihin, once na makakita tayo ng rally, we will encounter selling pressure at around 106 and 107,000 area. Again, pag nandun na tayo sa price na yan, titignan natin, kaya ba nating i-break ulit? And then we go back to 116 or ganito ba yung gagawin niya? Tali ka dyan, retest, hindi nabasag, are we going to revisit the 95K level, which is the next possible SR flip area, resistance, third support. So watch out for this. And most likely, may rally. Okay? I just don't know kung kailan. Most likely, i-retest yung 106. The only question is, what are you going to do?